Okay, hold the end steady there. Got it. It's taut. Checking level? It's good. Perfect. Retract it. All right, team, lift the door. Steady now. Good. Secure the hinges. Almost there. Kitchen here works. Flow is good. Dining next. Bedrooms need light. Check windows. Ready to build? Let's go! Up it goes! All done. Pretty cool, right? Week 1, the foundation is poured, establishing a solid base. By week 4, the structure is complete, ready for use. Grand opening! This modern luxury house completed in just 1 month by Intelligent Monkeys.